Today let us prepare couscous salad, a healthy side dish that packs a crunch. This flavorful dish delivers a burst of freshness in every bite. First, I'll be dissolving a pinch of turmeric powder in measured amount of hot water. Then I'll add measured amount of couscous. Season it with salt and pepper powder. Then in goes a drizzle of olive oil. If you want the couscous to be very dry, then you can reduce 2 tablespoons of water that is mentioned in the description section. I'll cover the couscous with a cling wrap and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Then I'll chop the bell peppers. I'll include 1/4 of a white onion. I have these lovely cherry tomatoes which I would like to halve and include in the salad. For freshness, I'll be adding cucumber and flat parsley leaves. I have boiled the chickpeas. This is a good source of protein. Then I'll also include a little amount of fresh pomegranate. The couscous has soaked up all the liquids. Let me try to break up any lumps using a fork. Then it is the time to add the veggies. In goes finely chopped onion, boiled chickpeas, cucumber that I have sliced, the cherry tomatoes, followed by yellow and red bell peppers and a little amount of green and orange bell peppers as well. Then I'll add finely chopped parsley leaves and give it a mix. Then I'll be adding a little amount of pomegranate seeds. And to bring up the freshness, I'll add a good drizzle of lemon juice. And it is ready to go. This couscous pairs up very well with the chicken tajin which we have already uploaded. Thank you for watching.